Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I went to Sally's earlier this week and my daughter wanted me to pick up these products. So remember the Just For Me line that used to make the perms? Well, they came out with a natural hair care system for kids that specializes in kinks, curls, and coils, and it's called Curl Peace. So it has 5 products and it's a 3-step routine that's supposed to make wash day easier. So the first product I'm showing you guys is the Tender Head Detangling Treatment, and it rinses away knots, and it's great. It's like a pre-poo basically. And I'm just showing you the consistency here. It literally looks like a custard to me. This is the first step in the process. You just smooth it onto the hair. They say you apply a generous amount to dry hair. My daughter's hair was very tangled because I didn't wash her hair in like over 2+ weeks. So I was very heavy-handed with this, and you can clearly see how easily I am raking it through her hair.
Did it hurt when I was combing your hair?
No.
So it's okay? When I was combing it with the brush, did it hurt?
No.
You're being honest, you're not lying, right?
No, I'm not.
You're telling everybody in the world the truth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And there you had it. There's the truth from my daughter's mouth. So the next step in this is their shampoo. The main ingredients in the shampoo is the marshmallow root extract, cocoa butter, and raw honey, and it cleanses and hydrates the hair. So I obviously poured too much into my hand, but it has a lot of slip. And I didn't use any combs during this process when I washed my daughter's hair. I broke it up into sections, and for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to show one section, just how I applied the products. You can clearly see how soapy it got. And now you move on to the conditioner, which also has marshmallow root extract, cocoa butter, and you can leave it on the hair as a deep conditioner for about 10-15 minutes. I didn't cover her hair with a cap. I just detangled, put it up in sections, and just left it for about 5-10 minutes because at this point her hair was detangled pretty well. So now is the 5-in-1 Wonder Spray. The consistency is like a liquid, and this has flaxseed, avocado, and castor oil. And basically the 5 things, the key features is it detangles tough knots, nourishes and softens the hair, helps to protect against heat during blowouts, reduces frizz, and add moisture and shine. Most importantly, I like the product because it is a great detangler, and you can see with my daughter's twists in the video, they look pretty moisturized. And now the final product is a smoothing ponytail and edge control. I believe it's just for edges. I wasn't sure if it was like a styler, but I did use some of it. I smoothed it on to the roots and base and the tips of the hair to kind of smooth it out. And I just detangled it and just put some rubber bands and gave her a quick 2-strand twist. Usually this is my go-to style for her because it gets her through the school week. It's a quick protective style, and once I'm done twisting her hair, I would add a little bit of the edge control to the ends, and I would wrap it around the little barrettes or the clips, whatever you want to call it, and her ends are fully protected. Okay, so now we're going to get down to the juicy stuff, my thoughts and final review on the products. So this is a nice wash day system for kids. It has a very, very nice smell. It has a marshmallow, coconutty, tropical scent type of smell. And the edge control has the smell. To me, it smells like a ginger snap cookie. It smells really good. So I love the scent for the products. I also like that the products are pretty affordable. Each product costed, I believe it was $6 and change per product. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say this is a con. It's so new out on the market, so I don't know much about it as far as accessibility. I know I picked it up at my local Sally's. I don't know if it's going to be available online or to other department stores near us or near you. So the actual products, the shampoo and conditioner, both had a lot of slip. I was able to finger detangle my daughter's hair with ease. My two favorite products, hands down for her, will be the pre-poo treatment and the 5-in-1 Wonder Spray. I found those to be the two most useful products. My least favorite product, I'm not going to say I dislike it, but it's my least favorite, would be the ponytail and edge control. Although it is a finishing product, so I wish they would have came out with a styler for the line. This product had more use to it. But other than that, I have no complaints. I will definitely see how she gets through the rest of her school week. So I will keep you guys updated. If you want to know how her hair looked throughout the end of the week, definitely let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions in general, very active down in the comments below. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.